everyone. I'll be teaching you how to get the new free skin in next 2 days. The Daredevil skin. Yes, it'll be coming out next 2 days, and there are 4 tournaments. This is the third one. You can win about $1 million in the tournament if you can win. This is the skin, the own official skin. And if you play all 4 tournaments, you get a free glider. And this is a knockout tournament. Trust me, I'll be talking about a whole much more after this. Or I'm not. I'm just going to say this going to come in the item shop very soon, and this will look good in the item shop. You can get this for free for for 800 points in Europe. I don't know, for anywhere 200. I don't know about in tournament. I read an article about it. This is the secret power right here. This is linked. You see it? You see this? This is linked too. I don't know what this is. Waterfall, pull that in the game. Wolverine. But this, what we're focusing on the game right now. Go more information and you'll see. You can win up to $1 million, guys. You can win up to $1 million. And the Daredevil skin itself. Yeah, it will kind of be hard, kind of be easy. You have to get different points. And I just want to say thank you, everyone. And the update is tonight. And I gave you a lot of information. You have to have a trio too. And buy people